And y'all know who he is, right? Do you people know who this is? I have my assistant here with me. What's up, what's up, what's up? Y'all money ahead of you sleepy. Y'all better wake up. So it's business time again. I'm Licia, a lifestyle and travel vlogger, currently in Guangzhou, China. Today I'm at the Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport. I'm here to pick up a client who is flying in. I'm excited. Every time I get, clients coming in, it makes me happy. It makes me, it's like, yeah, we're getting a face-to-face connection, with my clients. It just makes me happy. I feel glad that they trust my service enough to use it. Like so many feelings, emotions be running through me. Yeah. So receive a client, a male client, and I'm looking forward to it. And today, guess what? We told you the empire is growing, okay? I have my assistant here with me. Oh my God, I'm happy because Lord knows. Meet my assistant. Oh, don't be shy. Come here. Yeah, so we are empowering each other way out here, doing it for our country back home. And who better to work with if not your own sister, your own family from back home, right? So, yeah.
Oh, my phone, I forgot it.
Okay, so they remind you, even if you leave your thing, sitting down, they remind you she left her phone sitting and they told her to go and pick it up. They don't kind of take it easy, we'll swear, we'll know. So say your name. Hey.
Hi guys, so I'm Presley, commonly known as Cherry in China. So if you know me from Liberia and then come to China, if you say Presley, trust me, it'll be hard for you to.
Nobody know you.
Yeah. So in China, I'm Cherry, but Liberia, I'm Presley.
Okay. So welcome to Licia Life and Travel. Let me just introduce you like that because it's your first time.
Thank you.
But she's an amazing human. That's why, I decided to bring her closer as my assistant.
Aww.
And we are looking forward to see where this goes. Maybe in the nearby future, we'll get many other people joining us. Catch you soon. Welcome.
Thank you. How are
That's
you?
my assistant.
My assistant?
Yeah. Okay, we take this from you. But welcome to China.
Thank you.
Is this your first time?
Yeah, my first time coming over here.
Oh, okay. And y'all know who he is, right? Do you people know who this is? Sir, kindly introduce yourself for me.
I'm Mr. K. Yeah, they just call me Mr. K. I'm from the East Coast of USA. And I'm visiting Licia as my sourcing agent over here. She did a very good job from the beginning of the process all the way to this point.
Okay.
We've been in contact with each other. And I'm very glad to meet her and she and her family, husband, and they're here to welcome me to Guangzhou. How you got it?
Guangzhou,
China.
Yeah.
And I'll be here for a couple of days to work with her or for her to work with me. Yeah. So I'm very glad to be here, Licia, and thank you so much for the process. It's a seamless process with her. She's very straightforward. She didn't beat around the bush. She hit straight the target.
Oh, thank you.
For business, she's for business. If for nonsense, she don't take that nonsense. Yeah, I'm very super to work with her, and I would be surprised that I don't achieve anything here.
Oh, you will achieve everything you came for, by the grace of God. Thank you so much. He's just acting humble, He's just acting humble. This man you see here, do you know the owner of Capital K Suites?
Oh my God.
In Liberia, and the AirBnB in Liberia, Capital K. He's the owner. I'm so happy that he saw it fit to use a Liberian service out here. He saw it fit to use Licia Life and Travels service. It's an honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Licia.
Okay, we catch you. Yeah, we catch you soon. Bye-bye.
Take care. Take care, buddy.